Welcome to CellGate's Field Repair Kit overview. This kit contains commonly used replacement parts for CellGate products, allowing you to complete repairs quickly and efficiently. Available for just $145, it can be ordered by emailing orders at cell-gate.com. The kit includes essential components such as protection circuit boards, 5-port industrial Ethernet switch, CBL 830, CBL 840, replacement key for Evo, Watchman speaker, magnetic switch, 12-volt DC power supply, and isolation relay, all organized in a professional storage case. The best part? As you use parts for repairs, they can be replenished at no additional charge. When you need a replacement, contact our support team at 855-694-2837, option 2. They'll help troubleshoot to confirm the issue, and once verified, you'll complete the repair using a part from your kit. We'll then create a parts order at no charge to replace what you've used. The replacement will ship directly to your address on file, ready to be added back to your kit. The CellGate Field Repair Kit streamlines repairs, reduces customer downtime, and helps you provide faster service, making it an invaluable investment for any CellGate dealer.